This is the JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new time card through the time card grid entry screen. In the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Time Card Grid Entry, select the pay period for the week you are entering time cards. This will filter in all time cards that have been entered for the week. You can then filter by any of the other fields like employee, time card type, and job by selecting from the dropdowns. To create a new time card, select the Add Time Card button. Select the dropdown from all necessary fields and enter appropriate hours. Any information saved on the employee's detail will filter in automatically. Continue selecting the Add Time Card button for each additional time card needed for this pay period. Click Save when done entering time card information. Click Close if completely done entering or editing time card information, and it will close the current time card grid tab.